Wow, this is very interesting.
Yes.
Mmefanya kazi mzuri siku hizi.
Thank you. We always give you a chance to choose what you want.
Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. This is what we are going to give you if you decide to invest 6.99 million Kenya shillings to build your next home. This home has been done by 47 investment company and we are in Ruiru, exactly 100 meters from the tarmac. So if you're interested in a bungalow na hauna budget kubwa, budget yako ni less than 7 million, less than 8 million, we can give you something like this. It is a 3-bedroom, I would say north of 150 square meters, and as you can see, the landscaping has been done very well. You get a half-stone perimeter wall, and on top you have some steel bars. Today we are going to invite one of the directors of 47 investment company, and he'll tell us how they were able to achieve this at such a low budget. Mr. Christopher.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
Miaka mingi.
Niko salama.
Umeko salama. Umepotea kabisa.
Tuko.
Watu wanasema mumeingia kwa kazi, hamuonekani kwa picha.
Kazi inatusukuma mbali. That's the reason why you don't find us most of the time.
So this year 2025,
Yeah.
We delivered more than 40 projects.
Yes.
And this is one of them.
Yes.
6.99.
And still the others are coming. So maybe before the end of the year we still hand over more.
Okay.
Yes.
So how did we get to 6.99 for this?
One, this is a 3-bedroom bungalow.
Okay.
With master ensuite. And then the other 2 bedrooms, they share the bathroom and the toilet. We also have a common toilet. And we have the kitchen. The house is not such big, so we have the dining attached to the sitting room.
Okay. I've seen you have the SQ uko nyuma.
For the SQ, let's talk about the house, because the SQ comes as a variation.
Okay.
Because this is a request of the client.
Okay.
We do the house, and whatever else you tell us to do, we are going to do it for you. Otherwise, we can just do the house. We can do both the house and the SQ. So we are talking about the house, the cost of the house alone,
6.99.
6.99.
So if you want the SQ,
if you want the SQ,
you add more money.
Then you add more money. It comes at an extra cost.
Okay.
Yes.
So about the perimeter wall, that one is a variation.
This is also a variation because you find there are many places where you go and find the perimeter wall is full wall. This is half wall, and then we have steel bars.
Yes, yes.
So it depends on the either the estate or the client's preference.
Okay.
Whatever they prefer to do,
that's what you give. Yeah. How about the landscaping? Munafanyia mtu?
The landscaping also is a variation because now you can see the owner decided to do cabros here.
Okay.
A bigger part of the compound is done with cabros.
Okay. And
a green area is just a small part of it. So it also comes as a variation depending on the owner's choice.
Okay.
Yes.
Na nimeona amepanda matunda hii pande.
And also you have tree here, fruit trees here that are planted.
Okay.
But we also advise, because there are some trees that can affect the perimeter wall and also the building. Okay. Yes.
So you advise on which
which type of tree that you're supposed to plant along the fence or within the compound.
Very nice.
Yes.
Sawa sawa, tuonyeshe ndani. Wow, this is very interesting.
Yes.
Mmefanya kazi mzuri siku hizi.
Thank you.
So everything here has been done by 47 investment.
Yes, definitely we've done everything. Yeah. As you can see, the normal tiles that we do within our standard is 40 by 40. But now this floor comes as a variation.
Okay.
We also have the switches here, which comes at a variation. And also the gypsum. Okay. This comes at a variation. You also have the vanity. The vanity.
Okay.
All those are so the house has a lot of variations.
Has a lot of variations. So in terms of variations, let me ask you.
Yes.
Let's assume the normal standard tile when in our cost to send 100 shillings per piece. Na yenye nataka ina cost 120.
Yes.
So what do I add 20?
You should add 20 so that you can give you what you want. But remember, This is within the company's standard.
Okay.
Yes.
So what if I want a different tile, but it is cheaper than yours?
It is okay, but it also depends. Cheap is expensive.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, there is also that.
Yes.
So the dining area is attached to the living room.
Yeah, the dining area is attached to the living room.
So unaweka vitu zako huko viti.
Yes.
And the dining table on this side.
Because of space.
Okay.
Yes.
So was it the idea of the client to have an open plan kitchen ama ilikuwa namna gani?
Yes, initially the plan was to have a closed kitchen. But later on, as we tell people, as we tell our clients, that you can do anything you want as long as it doesn't affect the building, the structure of the building. Yes. So you can do it in a way, in a design, anything that you tell us to do, we can do, but we also advise. Okay. If it doesn't affect anything, then we can do it.
Okay.
Yes.
So normally you give a grey granite countertop as standard.
Yes, we do grey granite. The black granite, as you can see here, is expensive. So this
variation.
At a variation.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see the kitchen. Mr. Christopher.
Yes.
Cabinetry siku hizi mnapeana mzuri kabisa. Kazi naona mnafanya mzuri.
Yes.
But I know this one is a variation kwa sababu this is not the normal you.
Yes.
But I like the quality of the kitchen. Watu wengi sana wana complain, wanasema Mr. 47 haupei warembo wetu kitchen mzuri. So what have you decided?
Now, we always give you a chance to choose what you want. When we go to the shop, you have to choose what you want. But remember, that is what we have quoted for you. So whatever you choose, if it comes at an extra cost, that is what you are going to add. Yes.
Lakini ukichagua vitu mzuri mzuri utapata kitchen kama hii.
Definitely.
Very nice, I love it. And you have a small pantry pale.
Small pantry here. We are looking at the space, the area of the house, where the house is, the space inside the house. So we just give you exactly what fits in that space.
In that budget.
Yes.
Hata kama umesema
leave around the budget, space.
The spacing that you have there.
Yeah.
Hata kama umesema the SQ is a variation, I want to show them ndio kama mtu anataka kutengenezewa kama hiyo, ataongeza pesa. So Mr. Christopher, hapa ndio naona mumekata a lot of rooms actually. So this is the bathroom.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the
toilet.
The toilet.
Outside toilet.
Outside toilet. Na SQ.
Then we have the SQ.
Na SQ hapa.
Which is also ensuite.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, it's also ensuite.
Yeah.
So hii inatumia choo yake ndani.
Inatumia choo yake ndani.
Okay. And on top of I've seen ndio mmeweka tanks.
We have put the owner has bought the tank that the ones that we give.
Ziko kwa hii ceiling.
Ziko kwa hii ceiling.
Okay. So amenunua ingine extra.
Another extra.
It's an auxiliary tank.
Yes.
Okay, so all this is an extra.
All these are extras. It also depends on the budget.
Na size yenye unataka.
The size unataka.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. So Mr. Christopher, nimeona tuko na common washroom hapa.
Yes.
It has been done very well.
Yes.
But the common washroom and the first bedroom are a bit squeezed.
Yes, because as I said earlier, that we all we do is that we follow the client's preference and also the budget.
Okay.
And also the space. You may have a big budget,
but
space is limited by the space.
By the space. Sasa huyo alikuwa anatakaje?
This is why we had to do this because we could not have done it a bigger one since he wanted a common toilet and a shared bathroom.
And a shared bathroom.
Yes.
So hii hakuwa anataka ikuwe kubwa sana.
No. Yes.
Oh, okay.
That is what it.
Because I have seen the master and it's huge.
Yeah.
Wacha tutawaonyesha. So that is the shared bathroom. This is for the two bedrooms. For the two bedrooms, yeah?
Yes.
Na kuna common washroom hapo.
Common washroom.
And this is the first bedroom.
This is the first bedroom.
Okay.
Yes.
I like it.
Yeah.
Sio kadogo sana, lakini ni kazuri, kanini kega.
Yeah, it's just enough for the owner.
For the owner.
Yeah.
Uzimeniambia hana a lot of people in the family.
It doesn't have a lot. And also remember, what is small to you will be big to someone else.
True. So the closet mmeamua kufanya sliding.
The sliding, which is also this a variation.
Okay.
Because we normally do the swing door. But for this, this comes at an extra cost.
Okay.
Yes.
But it is very good for the space.
Yeah, it is done well.
It's very nice for the space.
Yes.
Dirisha naona hamjabadilisha bado a lot of light from the window.
Yes.
Wacha tuone hii ya pili.
Okay.
So this is the second bedroom is slightly bigger, yeah?
Slightly bigger.
Slightly bigger than the first one.
Yes.
Dirisha bado nimeona ni mzuri and the ceiling heights are very very good by the way. Hata unasikia na nyumba iko empty lakini bado echo ni kidogo sana.
Yes.
The closet concept is just the same.
Just the same as a replica of the other bedroom.
Okay. So let's say if a client want to have the closet iko imefika huko juu.
Yeah.
Mnatengenezea mtu hiyo?
Yes, we do it at an extra cost.
Okay.
This is the standard one.
Okay.
But with a swing door.
Okay, or with a swing door.
Yeah, with a swing door.
Okay.
But with the next the sliding door, this is a variation.
Okay, nice. But the styles easy digital tiles zenye zinakuanga standard tiles, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So kama wewe unataka SPC na hizo zingine unaongeza mali.
It comes at an extra cost.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the last bedroom.
The last and the primary bedroom. So big.
Very big.
Yes.
Very, very big.
And also the closet is bigger than the others. We have shoe rack.
Oh, iko na shoe rack yake pale.
Which also comes at an extra cost. We have the mirrors here, which normally comes at an extra cost.
Okay.
Yes.
So ni tu vitu kidogo kidogo.
Yeah.
Mtu anaongeza to make the house more homely.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So hii nimeona iko ensuite.
Yeah.
You have the bathroom.
Yeah, it has a bathroom. Since this is a master bedroom.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes. So let's assume I wanted to have a bigger closet hadi hapa.
Yes.
Mgenifanyia.
Of course we'll do. Yeah, whatever you tell us,
we do.
If there is space and there is money, then we do it. We give you the cost of that.
Okay, that's na ule mteja mwenye akona kashamba kake huko Matu ama huko Garissa.
Yes.
Anataka kujengewa nyumba kama hii.
Yes.
Mutafika huko.
We are code 47. The reason being that we are in all the counties.
47 counties.
That is why we are called the 47 investment.
Okay.
You'll go to Kisumu, you'll find us there. You go to Homa Bay, you go to Malindi. We are all over Kenya.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you want to build such a unit.
Yeah.
Na unataka kulipa kidogo kidogo 2 million and then another 2 million. Is it possible?
It's very possible because we have the payment schedule. We are going to give you the breakdown.
Okay.
So you'll be paying per stage.
Or utakuwa unalipa per stage.
Yes, per stage.
Okay.
Yeah, and if we happen to do the first stage and you don't have money for the second one, we can wait.
Oh, you can wait.
Yes.
And let's say tumeifanya haraka pesa iko. How long would it take?
This can take 3 to 4 months. We are done with this.
3 to 4 months. So around 120 days.
Yes, 120 days we are done.
Sawa. Yes. Anyway, thank you very much.
Karibu sana.
Tumefurahia kuona kazi yako.
Thank you.
And if you're out there and you would want to own such a unit, you know what to do. 47 Investment is your partner in that. And their number imejaa online. Usipoipata online, you can call us and we will connect you to them.
Yeah.
Asante sana.